In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonial review in Stan Store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to format a clean, credible review that boosts buyer confidence. Testimonials are one of the fastest ways to build social proof. When shoppers see real experiences right where they're considering a purchase, hesitation drops and conversions rise. Stan Store makes this simple, and the process takes just a few minutes. Start by heading to your My Store tab in your Stan dashboard. From there, choose the specific product you want to showcase. This ensures the review appears exactly where it matters most for that item. Next, open the Product's Options menu. In that menu, select Add Reviews, then click plus Add Customer Review. That's the dedicated spot where you'll paste your testimonial and connect it to the product. The labels may look slightly different depending on interface updates, but the path is the same. Options, Add Reviews, then the Add button. Now paste in the testimonial text. Pull it from places like messages or survey responses, but make sure it's accurate and written in the customer's own words. Keep it concise and specific to the product's result or benefit. If there's a place for the customer's name, use a privacy-conscious format like a first name and initial, or just initials when appropriate. Never include sensitive information such as emails, phone numbers, or personal details. For the rating, choose the number of stars that honestly reflects the sentiment of the quote. Don't inflate or edit meaning. Small grammar fixes are fine, but the voice should remain authentic. Once added, your testimonial will display right above your payment processors on the product page. That placement is intentional. It meets customers at the moment they're deciding to buy, making your best reviews do the heavy lifting for you. If you're adding multiple testimonials, vary them so each highlights a different benefit, outcome, or use case. A few strong quotes are more persuasive than a long list that people won't read. A couple of final tips to keep everything clean and compliant. Get permission to share a customer's words when possible. Avoid claims you can't substantiate, and keep formatting consistent so your store looks professional. When you're done, your product page will present a crisp, trustworthy snapshot of real results, positioned exactly where it has the most impact. That's it, you've added a testimonial review in Stan Store the right way. Clear, credible, and conversion friendly.